Hi everyone, I am Dr. Melissa Pink and I will be your instructor in this class for the next several weeks, however many weeks long it is. I'm here. I'm here for you. A short background about myself is I have been doing occupational safety and health along with emergency preparedness and response my entire career. I've done hazmat and OSHA safety planning, rules and regulations, training, audits, all those types of things, and emergency and business continuity plans for different types of businesses as well. My last full-time position before owning my own business, Code Pink Crisis Planning, I was the emergency manager for New York State Department of Labor, where I was involved with emergency and business continuity plans, and I was in charge of my agency's response and role at the State Emergency Operations Center. I was involved with 2 disasters. One you probably didn't hear too much about, but I'm sure the second one you did, this little storm called Hurricane Sandy. I now teach part-time with the Center for Domestic Preparedness in Anniston, Alabama, where they do realistic hands-on training for first responders at no cost. So if this is something you might be interested in, please reach out to me to get more information or look at their website. Let's see, I do have a few private clients, and I teach at 2 other colleges part-time as well, so I'm busy just like you guys are. While an intro class may not be too exciting, we will actually be doing some pretty cool stuff. Does anybody say cool anymore? Well, I do. Anyways, we're going to be using Word, PowerPoint, and Excel in this class. We're going to use it in various ways to support your emergency management mission of finishing this class with a good grade. We do not have typical assignments. I'm pretty happy to say that. We're going to be using journal entries. You're going to be conducting interviews, creating PowerPoints. You're going to create a spreadsheet to review data, and everyone's favorite, essays. You've got to get some writing in there as well. We will look at pandemics, how appropriate, regulations, Hurricane Katrina and Sandy. We're going to spend some time taking a look at those 2 disasters, and you'll get to choose a disaster of your choice to do a little research on. So no sleeping here in this class. I have lots of experiences, stories, and lessons learned I would love to share with you. So yes, we have assignments in this class every week, but no final exam, so yay for that, right? All of our topics are very relevant, and if they don't excite you, well, you're in the wrong program. Course success, what does that look like for you? Make sure you read the syllabus and understand your workload. Pretty much there is an assignment set for every unit, along with a final project as well. Very important, make sure you read the directions and answer each part of the questions in your assignment. When I grade, I have the syllabus out and I look at each item on the list, and I expect to see your responses right in that order. Okay. Let's see. Emergency management writing is factual, to the point, and short. Directors are not going to want to read a 2-page email, so we've got to get your writing getting right to the point and not a lot of fluff. If I have to guess what you mean or which part of the assignment you're trying to answer, I will just stop. This is not a creative writing class. This is a rules, procedure, and life or death course. So we get right to the point. Make it easy for me to give you a good grade. Okay. APA. We are going to be starting and working with version 7 of APA. So this is going to be something you're going to need to print out some information on, review it, have it there. A few changes, most of them for the good, I will say that. But there are many resources available to you within the classroom. You'll be able to find those as well. So for many of us, we're all going to be going through version 7 together. So we'll make it work. Okay, you might even teach me something, a thing or two. If you get behind, reach out to me. Talk to me if you're going to be late on an assignment. Lost points for being late is something I cannot help you with after the deadline. Treat your schoolwork just like work, and if you're having a problem, send me a note. I hope you can consider me a resource, a mentor, and even a colleague. I'm here to help you navigate this world of emergency management and set you up to do this well. Please remember I'm a person too, and even though we're not face to face, if you have a question on anything, reach out, send me an email, send me a text. I'm not too good with phones, but I'm happy to arrange a time to talk with you. I just usually have a hard time answering phone numbers I don't know, because usually they're sales calls. And so send me an email, send me a text, and we can set up a time, just about any time, to help you out. Let's see, I have found students do better when they are in contact with their instructor. Knowing who you are as a person can't hurt when I am doing the grading, so keep that in mind and don't be afraid to reach out to me. With that being said, let's get started, and I'll see you in the classroom.